Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 alternative messaging app for WhatsApp. Basically, WhatsApp is the number one messaging app right now, but recently with the Facebook changing the platform, they are planning to add ads inside the platform. So this is going to be some options, so that way if you want to have the same security, the same features without the ad, these are the best option right now in the market. So my first option is Telegram. Telegram has all the features that WhatsApp has. Also has RSA encryption. The difference of Telegram is that you have more customizing screen. Also, you have different options like cloud-based, privacy, and also you can create different groups. You can add almost 10,000 people in one group, so you can use it as a business and also a point-to-point contact. So it's a very good. It's the number one candidate to WhatsApp. The second option is Signal private messaging. So this app has the same feature. All these apps that I'm showing you are encrypted, so security wise are encrypted, so you can be secure and peace of mind that your messaging are encrypted. So the first thing is that this app is ad free, so it's also has a lot of customizing options, and it's multiple platform. My third option is Band. This is a very good messaging app for also point-to-point contact. But the difference from Band to WhatsApp is that this app has built-in calendar, so it's very good for messaging groups, events that you have in your company or school or other stuff that you want to have this group, and you can share the calendar. And because it's also built in the calendar, everybody can messaging and can manage the calendar there. Also, it's multiple platforms, so you can run it in iOS and also Android. And my fourth option is Viber Messenger. So the difference, this is also encrypted and has a lot of customizing options. The difference here, this is a messaging that you can set up to destroy messaging. So has a secret messaging feature similar to Snapchat, so it will automatically destroy based on your requirements. Also, it's ad free and it's a multiple option, multiple platform. And my last option is Snapchat. So Snapchat is been in the market a while. So right now people are moving from Snapchat to Instagram, but Instagram is the same thing as the WhatsApp is owned by Facebook. So these are my 5 options. So guys, if you like this content, please like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel, and smash the bell icon so that way you can get notified every time that I upload a video. And also guys, if you have any question, if you want to have a conversation with me, and or some ideas for a video, please hit me in my social media, and also comment to this video. I'm open to suggestion. So thank you.